So in this Apple Notes tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a grocery list here on Apple Notes. So once Apple Notes is opened up, go into a note here. I'm going to go ahead and use my example note. Now, once you're here, if I wanted to go ahead and create a grocery list just like this, rather than just putting like eggs, milk, etc., where it's sort of hard to check off, a simpler way is to create a checklist. So just press on the place right here. This little sliding bar, go ahead and select the second option, so the checklist option right here, then type in what you want. Press enter, type in what you want. Enter fruit, ice cream. That's my wonderful list. And when you're at the grocery store, if you just go through, you got eggs, check, you press it. You get milk, check, you press it. You get fruit, check, you press it. You get ice cream, and all of a sudden your grocery list is done. It actually looks pretty good, and is also pretty easy to track as well. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to create a grocery list on Apple Notes. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.